What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. Y'all know what it is. Your boy JP coming to you with another how-to. Today we have a 2001 Chevy Camaro, and we are changing out these front speakers. Now, I've already did the driver's side. It was pretty simple, so I was like, man, let me show you guys how to do it on the passenger side. We have a few Phillips head screws that we got to take out first. The first one is going to be right behind here. All right. The second two are going to be right here in the handle. Next, you want to come right here and take out this Phillip. It's right behind the little switch. And the one you don't want to forget about is right up under the switch. This is the one that kind of gave me a little trouble. It's a Phillips as well. And honestly, guys, I don't think there's any clips holding this in. So what I did is I came and grabbed the handle and kind of did one of those push-up type motions. You could take this off if you want to, but it's not needed. So just coming up here, pushing up. Ow. Coming up here to the top, just kind of pulling it off that seal. Go. Now you guys actually don't need to actually take the door off if you don't want to. I like to go ahead and just leave it like this because we just need to turn the door. See how I kind of got it? Just kind of got the door just kind of sitting sideways. So we just need to get right here to the 6.5. Now these aren't 7 mils, they are 1/4. So let me change my bit out. Take the speaker out. So now we just have the speaker harness. See if I can do it with one hand. All right, so we got that old busted speaker out. We have our new Kicker CSC 6.5. We also have the 4568 speaker harness, which makes our install life so much more easier because all we have to do, plug that up and our speaker's installed. Now I'm just going to stick this in here, screw my screws back in. I did have to use different screws because with this right here it's a little thick, too thick for that other screw, so I'm just using some different screws. Alright guys, and that's it. I got that thing screwed in, and now I don't have to fight with this because we just turned the door panel, and now I can just turn it back and put it back on. If you guys found any type of value in this video, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff. The links will be in the description. Till next time, this is your boy JP signing out.